Welcome to This Explainer. We all know the UK driving test is incredibly tough, but why do so many fail?
Let's dive in and uncover the ultimate silent test killer lurking out there on UK roads.
The biggest culprit? Poor mirror checks. Under pressure, messing up a simple glance becomes a critical driving fault. The DVSA is super strict here. You literally must check mirrors before changing speed, direction, or position. Examiners demand total awareness. You've got to spot cyclists, emergency vehicles, and pedestrians instantly. No excuses. So to pass, you must flawlessly execute the DSA's golden routine: mirrors, signal, maneuver, or MSM.
Whether you're turning, overtaking, or pulling over, this exact sequence has to become pure muscle memory.
Take a left turn, for example. Your interior mirror always comes first, followed by that side mirror.
It's a stark contrast, right? Prepared drivers plan ahead early, while panicking learners just react entirely too late.
Checking late or totally forgetting blind spots triggers dangerous test-failing panic, especially at roundabouts.
And here is the terrifying reality. Just one single missed mirror check can instantly end your test. But hey, mirrors aren't just for passing. They literally create a protective visual shield for everyone around you. That's exactly why Automatic Car Driving Course drills these essential DVSA routines every single lesson. They guarantee you'll pass first time, or your second test is free. Absolutely no other driving school offers this. Ready to master it? Email automaticcardragingcourse@gmail.com or call 078-3322-6257. Will you be the next first-time pass?